Ang saya-saya.
Kasunod ang pagpanaw ni dating AP Chief of Staff General Angelo Reyes, inirekomenda na gawing closed door o sarado po sa media ang mga susunod na pagdinig kaugnay ng di umano'y anomalya sa AFP. Ito'y upang maiwasan daw ang trial by publicity. Panukala naman ng ilan, ang investigasyon sa AFP fund scandal ipaubaya na lang sa korte at hindi sa mga mambabatas. Bay, anong basa dyan ni Professor Winnie Monzon? Maring Winnie, good morning!
Good morning. Kasi nga,
Oh.
because of the unfortunate death of General Angelo Reyes, everybody is blaming everybody about it. But can we separate the issues po? You know, his death is something else. Ang issue yung, you know, should there be hearings in aid of legislation? And the answer is, yes,
Yes.
there should be hearings in
Mandate
aid
yun,
of legislation. Ngayon, how should those hearings be conducted? That's something else. Again, mga kapuso, hindi pa ako nagsasabi na good morning, ano, mga kapuso, excited na kaagad to discuss. Yeah. How should it be conducted? Hindi naman yata pwedeng closed-door hearings, pero hindi ba, mga
Public
kapuso?
money,
Let's face it, Arnold, sometimes itong mga senador natin, at saka mga kongresista natin, kung magtanong parang hindi sila, you know, interested in listening to information. Para sila ang judge and prosecutor and yung bang, I think it may be also because pag andyan dyan yung TV, naku, umiiba yung karakter nila. Para bang, you know, exactly, grandstanding. And nakita nyo naman ang pagtanong kay General Reyes, hindi ba? I mean, it was bastos na parang, you know, you have no honor to protect. Sino ba sila? Hindi ba? But, you know, in other words, that's the behavior of the senators. You cannot throw the baby out with the bathwater. But I think there should be self-policing among the senators na wag namang ganon. Well, yun, the congressmen are they're not as bad as that. I've watched the congressional hearings. Hindi ganon, yung hindi gaano kaganyan ang mga senator.
Okay, makasama natin si
syempre.
House Minority Leader at Albay Representative Elsa Lagman. Congressman, good morning. Welcome po.
Good morning.
So,
Good morning, babe.
hindi RH bill to, ha? Okay. Okay.
Dapat magsalita rin siya
Yung
sa
closed door hearing, pero di ba mayroon namang rules, no? Both houses, na pag ni-request ng executive session, depende ho, di ba, sa sitwasyon nyo?
Well, merong mga batas at rules ng Senado at ng mababang kapulungan na yung executive session ay kung merong epekto sa national security.
Sure.
Pero sa palagay ko naman, ay the people are entitled to know kung ano nangyayari.
I totally agree.
Oo. Pero alam mo, sa atin naman wala naman na sekreto na hindi lumalabas kahit mag-close door. The walls
Talaga.
have ears.
Talaga.
Lumalabas
There is no-
naman.
Pero kunyari, magalang pagtatanong, may makukuha ba tayong katotohanan doon?
Bakit hindi?
Kasi minsan, pag
Ay,
na-intimidate mo, doon mo nauhuli daw yung ano eh.
At palagay ko,
Di ba, Congressman? Oo.
tama si Winnie.
Oh, please.
Tama na there should be investigations or inquiries in aid of legislation.
Yes.
But there should be limits.
You are not prosecuting a person. You are not prosecuting a
Sa
person.
palagay ko, Winnie, the main emphasis ay doon sa systems and procedures.
Exactly.
Yung personalities should be incidental to the inquiry.
At saka iba, alam nyo, selective ang kanila eh. Yung may mga iba miski ang sagwa-sagwa ng sagot hindi nila tinatouch. Yung iba hindi pa nag-uumpisa pukpok na ng pukpok. In other words, merong parang ulterior motive, merong parang hidden agenda, and that's what the senators should avoid. Lalo na kung sila, meron silang, alimbawa, may galit sila. And then they should recuse themselves if they are, you know, if they are there as senators of the Republic and listening. They say, you know, I have a personal bias against this guy. I better not ask questions. Di ba si Jinggoy, talagang masama ang loob niya kay Angelo Reyes because Angelo Reyes withdrew his support of the father.
Pero paliwanag na siya doon,
Trillanes,
Winnie.
ha?
Nagpaliwanag na sila doon dahil kung masama ang loob nila, hindi nila sinuportahan sa Commission on Appointment si
Sino?
Secretary Reyes.
Kailan?
Hindi naman ako
kailan, kailan sila nagsuporta? Jinggoy was not even a senator. Pwede ba? I mean, what
So
kind
personal, itong kay Jinggoy.
No. I am saying, kung merong...
Kasi pag tinignan mo yung linya ni Mato.
If there is a if there is a chance that, your motives may be misjudged, di wag ka na. Hindi ba ganun yung mga...
Kagaya nangyari kay Senator Trillanes din, no, Congressman.
That's the rule in the judiciary. It's self-inhibition.
Oh, yeah.
Palagay ko, the same rule should apply
Of
sa
course.
Kongreso. Oo.
Ang problema, hindi sila lawyers eh. So, tignan mo mga lawyers. Tignan nyo kung magtanong ito, kung magtanong si Senator
Enrile.
Enrile. He does not make bastos. He does not. But he gets his information. Yung mga iba parang, senador ako.
Pero kung tuloy yung mga inquiry, no? Sa kabila nung...
Yung sa plea bargain agreement sa Committee of Justice sa House ay tapos na.
Sa inyo.
Sa amin.
Okay.
Tapos na. Yung doon
May report pa.
Gawa ng report. I hope gumawa sila ng report.
Ano ang stand mo dyan,
Well,
Congressman?
ako naman ang sabi ko diyan, itong plea bargain agreement ay nasa husgado na. Husgado na.
Yes. But, they were not asked.
And I think ang purpose namin is to limit the extent of a plea bargain agreement. Sa balagay mo, natapos ng prosecution, bakit magpe-plea bargaining pa?
Ayun, in other words, meron ng batas yan Gusto nyo lang madrama
So,
Di ba may batas
in other
na
words, ipaubayan natin sa Sandigan Bayan yung sa plea bargain agreement. At alam mo, kung lumabas na desisyon ng Committee on Justice ay to express the sense of the committee
that
the ombudsman should withdraw the plea
Pwede pa
bargain
ba?
agreement.
Pwede pa?
Palagay ko that is interfering in the independence of the ombudsman, a constitutional body. Palagay ko, kung gagawa ang recommendation na ito ang parameters, ang plunder cases should not be subject to plea
Pero
bargaining.
if example Edsel, you were against the impeachment of Merceditas Gutierrez when she was so clearly flawed and may problema talaga siya.
Well,
di ba? Why did you do that naman? You parang political ang kwan mo. You're supposed to be a statesman.
In that particular instance, Winnie, nasa Supreme Court yung mga kaso.
Inakyat ni Mercy.
Nasa Supreme Court, yung mga causes or grounds for impeachment, they were under the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court.
Already.
Already.
In other words, it's the fault of the Supreme Court kasi ang tagal-tagal hindi pa
Hindi
sila
naman ko sinabi it's the fault of the Supreme Court. But the fact is, what is the factual setting and the legal setting? Ay nandoon na.
But sa inyo, I just want a last question from you, In your opinion, given the behavior of the ombudsman in this particular situation where they obviously, we're going against sa akin, the interests of the country, don't you think she should be impeached?
Well, there is now a current proceeding against her. I think it's again pending with the Supreme Court.
Sasama ka ba?
Well, it all depends. It all depends.
Okay.
It all depends, Winnie, on what are the facts and circumstances. And whether there are bars to a prosecution through impeachment because there are
Okay.
pending cases before a higher tribunal.
Okay.
Kong, salamat. Congressman Ed Salagbar. Siyempre, Maring Winnie Monson. Salamat. At unang balita na tayo, mga igan. Good morning.
Ang mga unang balita sa umagang ito. Mga kaanak at kaibigan ni dating AFP Chief of Staff Angelo Reyes naging emosyonal sa tamisa para sa namayapang general. Anak ni Reyes, sinariwa ang magagandang alaala ng ama. Full military honors nakatakdang igawad sa mayapang hepe ng